to zoom in last video because you had the pots in the whole video.
Are you complaining on where I'm recording?
I'm totally complaining on camera.
Then be your own producer.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. All right, guys. How you doing? Jack Scalfani here, and today we're making a lazy man healthy fried chicken. A quick way to do fried chicken. We're going to soak it, batter it, and bake it. It's going to taste like fried chicken, and it's going to be healthy. Very few ingredients in this. We've got plain Greek yogurt. Not regular yogurt, Greek yogurt. A package of chicken. Bags of chicharrones or pork rinds. We got the spicy kind. And a Ziploc bag. All right, first thing we're going to do is get our chicken coated with Greek yogurt. So take the entire can and pour it right in a bag with the chicken. As you can see, this is the hefty jumbo Ziploc. Because we're using a lot of chicken, we wanted to put it all in one bag. We didn't want to have multiple bags. So go with the jumbo if you need to. Be ready for that. And get it all smushed around and coated. Kind of like a shake and bake. Okay. Once you're done and once it's all coated, see, it's not all coated yet. Once you're done and it's all coated, we'll go to the next step. Okay, so we got the chicken now marinating in the yogurt. You're going to take the bag of pork rinds, break it with your hand first, and then we're going to blend it, okay? So break it with your hand first. This bag is called crackling. This is not like just regular pork rinds. It's a little tougher, so bear with me, but we'll still get it grounded down. Don't worry. Okay, guys, this is kind of like what it should look like after you grind it all down. Very fine looking. Now that we have everything laid out, let's go ahead and grab our chicken that's coated in Greek yogurt and roll it in our crumbs of pork rinds. You guys ready? It's a little messy. You may want some gloves for this. Make sure your hands are washed. Okay, gonna roll it over. Get it all coated, and then when it's coated, place it on the rack. You can put a little bit more if you want. Now it's time to take this and put it in the oven at 350 degrees until the thighs are done. All right, now that we've pulled the chicken out, it's all done. We're going to give this a try. Crunchy. A little bit of heat. This is very similar to putting cornflakes on your chicken, but we've chosen something that's healthier, pork rinds. Not going to raise your carbs, not going to raise your sugar. It's going to be good. So there it is, fully cooked, fully awesome. Give it a try. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you on the next episode of Cooking with Jack.